what's up, traders? I hope you all had a nice and wonderful weekend. So let's start this week off with our commodity analysis. I'm going to go through natural gas, gold, silver, crude oil, and palladium. So now let's start with our favorite commodity, natural gas. So if you remember in my last video, I've said that we have a nice bullish engulfing candle, and if you have noticed, this candle closed at 10 p.m. UK time, which is the close of the market time, as when market was closed at this time. That is why I always see a bullish confirmation and then I enter the trade. So in this case, the market closed with this candle and the next candle opened with gap, and with that, there's a lesson that the patience is really important. If you would have just entered here without this candle to be closed before the market closed, and right here you see the market open in gap, and that would be a stress for you. So we didn't get any chance to enter the long trade because this candle closed with the market. Now what to expect next? I've already informed a member that do not short at this point because we have not closed below this zone yet. And if you have been following me from last couple of months, then you know I look for a good few candle close below the zone, at least two candle close below the zone or below 50 EMA. In this case, we have only one candle. The second candle closed above this wick. So that is why it's always good to see the market condition. Now, at this point, we do not have a clear signal. At this point, as you can see, we are still at the support area and still not broken and closed yet. We do have this bullish engulfing candle. That is also a bullish pressure at this point. Market is in an uptrend. The market pushed down, closed in opened in gap, pushed back up at this point. I want to see close above 20 EMA. We already closed above 50 EMA, right? I want to see in this condition when the market opened in gap, it can go up and fill the gap as well. It already did from here. But now if we have a close above 20 EMA, then there is a chance that the market will hit this zone again. Now just wait for a good condition. I will avoid entering at this point. Even though we have this bullish engulfing candle, we have this swing low engulfing candle. This is also a bullish candle. And now to see the extra confirmation, this is already a confirmation, but if you want to be a less aggressive for your entry, wait for a market to close above 20 EMA. As you can see, market push down from 20 EMA every time when it wants to close above 20 EMA, and as you can see right here with this candle as well. So once it closes above, we are good to go long again. If this candle won't close above and then we have another push down closed below 50 EMA, in that case I want to see good two candle close below each other to see a good sell confirmation to take my sell trades to the next level of support, which is 7.199 goes up to 7.382. This is also a minor zone. So these are the conditions for the market. It has closed above 50 EMA, shows a bullish pressure here, but I won't be entering until we are closed above this 20 EMA for my long trades. You can get a push up, we can get a push down. If we have this double bottom action, a clear double bottom move, then we have a very likely chances the market will push up from here. Okay, same here on currency.com. With this bullish engulfing candle, we did not get any chance to enter. Instead, the market pushed down, not closed. This candle is still running. It will close like in next 1 hour. Now, if we see a good closed above this 20 EMA, then we can expect a bullish move from here. But now if this candle closed below this previous candle, two candle closed, then in that case, we can see a fall to the next level of support, which is here 7.264 goes down to 7.484. Market is pushing down all the way from this inverted hammer, so that is why be cautious to take a long trade at this point until we have a clear signal and we are broken above 20 EMA. Let's check crude oil. Okay, awesome. As per my yesterday video, we did break and close below this trend line, retest, and the market pushed up, pushed down from here. Now we are still in this zone. Crude oil is just pushing up and down. Now if we have a break, complete break and close here below that, below this zone, which is 95.631, if we have that, then we can expect a good retest before the market will continue its trend downward. We can still get a push up, retest of 50 EMA, and then another push down. So now it's below the trend line, below 50 EMA. We can see, we can look for sell opportunities. Let's check gold. Okay, awesome. Now, what do we have here? As expected, as per my previous video, let me quickly show you that. Looking at that, if you are taking a counter trade, this is a zone 1769 goes up to 1785. From where we can expect a push down or a pullback. So have these zones on a chart. If we have a hit of this zone, I will look for engulfers, double tops, or a pin bar to take sell trades. Okay, nice one. We hit the zone I've mentioned in my last video. Now in this case, I want to see a good bearish engulfing candle either on 1 hour or on 4 hour time frame. If you see here on 1 hour, we already have this bearish engulfing candle shows bearish pressure. Now we can expect this move. If we have that, that is the sell signal. And if we have the sell signal, then we can expect market to hit at least 1759. We can expect around $10 move in a bearish direction if we have a close of this candle, this red candle, and if that is an engulfing candle, that will be a plus signal for sell trades. So now in the selling zone, I will only look for sell trades. And here you can see also market is making higher highs and RSI is making lower highs. There is also a divergence. Divergence is also an extra confluence. Looking at this condition, I'm expecting a push down out of gold. Let's check silver. Now, as expected, market is pushing up and is pushing up to the major level of resistance. Now, once we hit this zone again, look for engulfers, double top, or pin bar from this zone. This is a zone from where I will look for my counter trades. Until then, we can expect market to hit and go in between this zone. Same as gold. As you know, gold and silver mostly move side by side. Now, if you see market pushed up with this engulfing candle on 1 hour time frame, and we are getting this double top with the divergence. Looking at that, I'm expecting a push down now from silver. At least wait for this candle to close. Let's say we have a close of this candle. ATR is okay right here. Looking at the ATR, I'm expecting silver to hit 20.7092. I would wait for the close of this candle, complete close. If you have an engulfing candle, that's perfect condition on 1 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, if we have this candle closed as an engulfing candle, that would be an awesome signal. And here you can see we have this pin bar here, that is also a bearish signal. Now we hit this major area of value I've mentioned in my last video. Looking at that, I'm expecting a nice push down from silver. Let's check palladium. Pushed up and pushing up at this point. Now the next level of resistance right up here. So now this is the zone from where we can look for counter trades as an engulfers or as a double top move. Okay, right here mentioned in my previous video, we are in the selling zone. If this candle closes below the previous candle, that is a clear sell signal. I will look for sell trades. Once we have this condition, I will look short trade. If not, we can still get push down, push up, and a double top action on 4 hour time frame. Let's check what do we have on 1 hour time frame. Well, we do not have any sort of condition there, so let's stick with 4 hour, stick with engulfers or double top action. So at the resistance level, we can expect good pullback from the markets, from the commodity market before continue its trend upwards. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.